Hey Vive Talk! Today we're going to be learning how to optimize your VIVE XR Elite controller bindings for VRChat. Let's dive in! Using VIVE Streaming, you can easily launch and stream VRChat from your computer and any other SteamVR games. Once you're inside VRChat with the VIVE XR Elite, it's time to fine-tune the controller bindings to enhance your VRChat experience. Press the menu button on your left VIVE controller to open the SteamVR overlay. Navigate to the settings section. Within the settings menu, you'll find the controller bindings option. This is where you can deep dive and customize your controller inputs for your VIVE XR Elite. This is where you can fully configure each button input on your VIVE controller, select different functions, and bind them to different buttons. You can tinker and create your own custom bindings, or you can just choose and apply the many community-created controller bindings shared by other users. After setting up your preferred controller bindings, it's important to test them out in VRChat. Join a virtual world and engage with others to ensure that the buttons and actions feel intuitive to you. If needed, go back to the controller binding settings and make further adjustments. Congratulations! You've successfully optimized your VIVE controller for VRChat. Now you can fully enjoy the immersive and interactive experiences that VRChat has to offer. Explore new worlds, meet new people, and have a blast in VRChat. This concludes our tutorial on setting up your VIVE controllers for VRChat. Remember, customization is key when it comes to your VR experiences with the VIVE XR Elite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more VR-related content. Thanks for watching and have an amazing time exploring VRChat with your VIVE XR Elite.